looks at me. I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and hurts me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what me she believes, and that faith is something I never known before. Come what me she loves me, and that love has helped me open the door, making me love myself a little more. Overnight seas, dinner and wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had a time in my hustle and hard world, laughing myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I need someone to hold me. Oh, it's such a crazy old time, can drag you down till you run out of dreams. So you party all night to the music and the lights, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no love around me, and suddenly you found me. Oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need, you're everything to me, oh girl. I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to dream from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled and I reached out to you. I could tell you were lonely too. One look, then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something's finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would see, hoping you'd understand it's not a rule. night.